Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove any files or folders from your MacBook's desktop without deleting them or moving them to the bin. So as you can see, I have this folder here, and then if I want to remove it from the desktop, but at the same time I also want to make sure that this folder is not deleted from my Mac operating system. Here I only have the option to copy, or I have the option to move this folder to the bin. So in order to removing it from the desktop, what you can do, you can open the Finder. So right click on the Finder and then open any folder in the Finder. For example, I want to move it to the Documents folder. I'm going to open the Documents folder here. And then once Documents folder is open, I just need to select this folder which is on my desktop and then press the command key. So just press the command key on your keyboard and then drag this folder to the location where I want to move this folder. So I'm going to drag and drop this into my documents folder. And once I do that, you can see this folder is moved from the desktop to the desired location, right? So what I have done, I have just pressed the command key and then dragged the folder icon using my trackpad to the desired location. You can also do it using your mouse. So just select that and then drag and drop this folder to your desired location. This is one way of moving your folders or any other files. It can be PNG, video, any other file to the desired location other than your desktop. Now you will also see when you plug in any hard disk or USB or any other external device, you will be able to see that icon on the desktop. If you want to remove that icon, then once again open your Finder window, and once Finder opens, you will be able to see this Finder option in the menu bar. So click on Finder and then click on Settings here, and you will be able to see in general section the settings related to hard disk, external disk, and CD and DVD and iPods. So you can see it says show these items on the desktop. So by default they are enabled. When I want to just disable it, so I don't want to show this Macintosh HD icon here, I can just uncheck this option which is for hard disk, and then you can see it's gone from my desktop. So you can remove hard disk or add external disk or CD icons from your desktop in this way. Now let's say you are taking some kind of screenshots and it's saved on your desktop. So you can also change the location of that. So to change the location of the screenshot which you take on your MacBook, you just need to press Command Shift 5 key combination. So press Command Shift 5 at the same time, which is going to open this kind of options window. Here you can click on the options menu and then you can change the location by clicking on other location and then choose the location where you want to save your screenshot. In my case, I will choose the videos folder and then click on choose. And then once again, when you click on options, you can see save to is changed to the videos and it's no longer desktop. And from the next time when you take the screenshot, it will be saved to the videos folder or wherever you have selected other than your desktop. So this is how you can remove any files or folders or hard disk icon or screenshots from your MacBook's desktop without actually removing it from your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.